Did you know that 2 out of 3 women experience menopause symptoms? You're not alone. Now, you might think you need a prescription to feel better, but what if I told you there are 11 natural remedies that can help? These aren't your typical doctor recommendations, they're backed by science and might just change how you manage menopause. You see, many doctors don't talk about these natural options. They're quick to prescribe, but there's another way. These 11 remedies can help with hot flashes, night sweats, and mood changes. They're safe, effective, and easy to try at home. Now, why should you care? Well, managing your symptoms can make a big difference in your life. You might sleep better, feel more energetic, and enjoy your days more. It's about improving your quality of life during this big change. So, let's dive into these natural remedies that could transform your menopause experience. Let's start with something you might not expect: your diet. What you eat can actually help manage those pesky menopause symptoms. A nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and protein can provide relief from hot flashes, night sweats, and mood changes. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to navigate this transition. Now let's talk about 2 nutrients you really need to know about: calcium and vitamin D. These are crucial for bone health during menopause. You see, hormonal changes can weaken your bones and increase the risk of osteoporosis. But here's the good news: you can fight back with food. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods are great sources of calcium. For vitamin D, try spending some time in the sun or eating fatty fish. Research shows that getting enough vitamin D is linked to a lower risk of hip fractures in post-menopausal women. That's definitely worth paying attention to. Here's something interesting: phytoestrogens. These are found in foods like soy, and they can mimic estrogen in your body. This might help balance your hormones. In fact, cultures with high soy consumption tend to have fewer hot flashes. A study found that phytoestrogens could reduce the frequency of hot flashes by about 11%. But keep in mind, it might take around 3 months to see the benefits. Now let's look at some natural supplements that might help. Black cohosh, red clover, and sage have shown potential in alleviating hot flashes. One review found that black cohosh might reduce hot flashes and sweating by about 25%. And sage, women taking sage tablets experienced a 50% reduction in hot flashes within just 4 weeks. That's pretty impressive. But here's where we need to be careful. While these supplements are popular, the evidence supporting them varies. We need more research to really understand their safety, effectiveness, and the right dosages to use. So always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Here's the exciting part: combining these dietary changes with natural supplements could potentially make a big difference. You might see a reduction in hot flashes and improved bone health. It's like giving your body a double dose of support during menopause. Now let's talk about something that can really make a difference in how you feel during menopause exercise and weight management. You might think, oh great, another lecture about working out. But trust me, this isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good and staying healthy. Regular exercise during menopause is like a secret weapon. It boosts your energy, kicks up your metabolism, and helps prevent diseases. Think about it. You're not just fighting hot flashes, you're building a stronger, healthier you. Here's something interesting. A study in Korea found that a simple 12-week walking program made a big difference for menopausal women. It wasn't just about physical health, their mental health improved too. Imagine feeling better both in body and mind, just from taking regular walks. That's pretty powerful, right? Now let's talk about weight. I know it's not always fun to discuss, but it's important. A study showed that women who lost at least 10 pounds were more likely to say goodbye to hot flashes and night sweats. That's right. Losing some weight could mean fewer midnight wake-ups drenched in sweat. But it's not just about hot flashes. Keeping a moderate weight can help with mood swings and other menopause symptoms too. It's like giving your body a break when it's already dealing with so many changes. So, how do you make this happen? It's simpler than you might think. For exercise, start small. Find activities you enjoy. Maybe it's dancing in your living room or taking a bike ride. Set realistic goals. You don't need to run a marathon. A brisk walk around the block is a great start. As for diet, it's not about starving yourself. In fact, skipping meals might make it harder to lose weight. Instead, try to eat regularly and include protein-rich foods throughout the day. This helps prevent muscle loss, which is crucial as we age. Plus, protein keeps you feeling full, which can help with weight management. Here's a tip. Try to sneak more movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park a little farther from the store entrance. These small changes can add up over time. Now you might be wondering, is all this really worth the effort? Well, let me tell you, the payoff can be amazing. These lifestyle changes can lead to more energy, better sleep, and fewer menopause symptoms. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, having the energy to enjoy your day, and not being bothered by as many hot flashes or mood swings. Now, let's talk about some practical tips and lesser-known remedies that can really make a difference in managing your menopause symptoms. You might be surprised by how simple some of these are. First up, keeping a symptom diary. It's not just about writing down how you feel, it's about uncovering patterns. You might notice that certain foods trigger your hot flashes or mood swings. Common culprits are caffeine, alcohol, and spicy foods. By keeping track, you can identify your personal triggers and avoid them. Hydration is key during menopause. You might not realize it, but drinking enough water can help with dryness and bloating. Aim for 8 to 12 glasses a day. It sounds like a lot, but your body will thank you. Water can help regulate your body temperature, which is especially important when dealing with hot flashes. Now let's talk about meal patterns. Eating regularly can help stabilize your blood sugar, which in turn can help manage your symptoms. When your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to experience mood swings or energy crashes. Try to eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. You've probably heard of some common menopause remedies, but there are lesser-known options that might surprise you. Evening primrose oil, for example, has been associated with alleviating symptoms like hot flashes. While more research is needed, some women find it helpful. Ginkgo biloba is another interesting option. It might enhance sexual desire and help with some psychological symptoms of menopause like memory problems and mild anxiety. It's not just for memory anymore. St. John's wort is known for its effects on mood, but did you know it could also help with menopausal symptoms? Some women find it helpful for reducing hot flashes and mood swings. Of course, always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Now let's talk about something many women don't discuss: vaginal dryness. It's a common issue during menopause, but there are natural remedies that might help. Sea buckthorn oil has shown promise in reducing vaginal dryness and improving atrophy in menopausal women. Coconut oil is another option. It's not just for cooking. It can be used as a natural lubricant and might help with itchy skin associated with menopause. Vitamin E is another nutrient to consider. It may help lessen the severity and frequency of hot flashes and improve skin issues during menopause. You can find it in foods like nuts and seeds, or as a supplement. Remember, everyone's experience with menopause is different. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's important to experiment and find what works best for you.